Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be doing a stock analysis on Rivian Automotive. Now, if you don't know what Rivian is, it is a high luxury pickup trucks, which is all electric. Let me just make this graph a bit smaller real quick, like so. Now, as you can see, they recently just made a death cross, which is of course not nice, and they overall it has just been quite a poor stock. Let me show you real quick. After the IPO, it has just been downhill. The day of the IPO, I was actually watching this. This was quite insane. As you can see, it started out at about 100 and then went up to all the way up to 180 and then tanked completely. So yeah, it's been trading quite low ever since, and basically every single person who owns this stock is at a loss. I fortunately don't own this stock, and I think it's quite overrated. It is a pickup truck that has an engine in each wheel, which means it can spin around on the spot, of course. And then but the problem also is each the bottom, the roof, and each side is made of one sheet of metal, which means to replace a bump in your fender, you would have to rip the entire car apart, which is quite unfortunate. And yeah, just the SMA and just the overall trend of this stock is beyond horrible. So really not a great stock to be in at the moment. Also, just because they don't make any money yet, I'm going to show you down here. As you can see here, earnings per share minus minus minus, and then we go to the actual income. They don't make any money at all. Well, they have a revenue of had a revenue of 5 billion last year, but then again, their net income was minus 4.75 billion, so it's still getting quite far from making any actual money. Not a real fan of the stock, and as you can see, it has a huge market cap comparing to a company that doesn't make any money at all, especially in the car business, where it's not like Tesla where they didn't make any money, but their product was simply so good that it had a reason to be such highly evaluated. Rivian really doesn't. I'm hugely biased, of course, because I just hate the entire concept behind this company. I would not get into it ever. I would not advise my worst enemies to get into it. You can also just see the stock never really performed at all. Not even this year, still minus 17%. So yeah, I would not get into this at all. Maybe unless they made some actual money, but I doubt that they will. You can see here at the technicals, it's a strong sell. We don't even have a single buy in the moving averages. The oscillator, however, is a bit is neutral, and this is just a sell. And the oscillator is neutral because it went up, went down, and now it went a big back up. But still, we recently did have this death cross, so not that great. And we just had a golden cross, but then this death cross quite quickly killed it again. Now the analyst rating down here, as you can see, is 35% up. I think this might be a fair assessment of the stock, to be honest. I hate the stock, but as you can see, 9 strong buy, one buy, 18 hold, 3 sell, 1 strong sell. I think the reason there is so many hold in this stock is because basically every single one holding in this stock has a loss at the moment, so it would just make sense to hold. And of course, that is in a stock like this. Always remember there is then an incentive for the people who sit with the stock to purchase large shares when it's down, and then when it gets just enough momentum, they will get out at zero or at a smaller loss. So yeah, always beware of that. But I really don't like this company at all. I don't like the product, and I just don't like the company itself. I think other companies is going to be better, which make actual pickup trucks. Maybe Chevy or Ford will get into the electric vehicles with pickup trucks, and I think their product might be a bit better or anything else. So yeah, luxury pickup trucks just really is a too niche company for me to invest in. If you did like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.